Okay, dito naman sa video na ito, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung papaano kukunin yung difference. Okay, so last video, tinuro ko sa inyo kung paano kukunin itong n na ito, itong a sub 1, a sub n. Okay, so ito na ang kukunin natin dito sa video na ito. Okay, so tignan natin yung mga example kung paano ito kukunin. For number 1, find the common difference of an arithmetic sequence with a sub 1 is equal to 11 and a sub 6 is 56. Okay? So, sulat natin yung mga given dito. Given. Okay? Yung a sub 1 muna, ay a sub n muna natin. A sub n or yung a sub 6 natin. Sorry. A sub 6. Okay? A sub 6 is equal to 56. And yung a sub 1 natin is equal to 11. Ito siya. And yung n natin, paano makukuha yung n? Yun yung 6. Ito. Okay? And then yung d, yun yung missing. Yan. Okay? I-substitute na natin itong mga nakuha nating given. So, yung 56, substitute natin doon. So, magiging 56 equals, ano yung a sub 1? That is 11. Okay? Plus, what is n? That is 6 minus 1. Tapos yung d. Okay? So, copy ulit natin ito. Okay? D ito kasi wala siya. Missing ito. So, 56 equals 11 plus 6 plus 1, that is 5. Tapos yung d dito. Yan. Okay? So, itong 56, copy lang natin. Tapos yung positive 11 dito, transpose natin to the other side of the equation. It becomes negative 11 equals 5d. Okay? So, 56 minus 11, that is, again, 56 minus 11, that is 45, is equal to 5d. So, to get the value of d, we need to divide both side by 5. Okay, so cancel ito, cancel yan. So, natitira na lang dito is d, or the difference. So, 45 divided by 5, that is 9. So, therefore, the answer here is ito, 9. Okay, so ayan for the example number 1. Okay, so mahirap lang siya kung titignan yung problem, pero kapag inanalyze ng mabuti, mas madali lang siya. Okay, for number 2, what is the common difference? So again, ang hinahanap dito is si common difference. Ito, question mark yan. Of the arithmetic sequence, given that yung a sub 7 daw and the a sub 1 have a term values of 63 and negative 1. Okay? So, sulat natin dito yung given. So, yung a sub 1 natin ay a sub n or yung a sub 17, sorry. This should be a sub 17 is equal to 63. Okay? Unang nasambit or unang nasabi itong a sub 17. So, kung ano yung unang number na nakasulat na sinabi din dito, yun din yung masusunod. Okay? And yung a sub 1 natin is negative 1. And then yung n natin, yun na yung 17 dito. Ito na siya. Okay? So, 17. And then yung d natin is missing. Okay? So, meron na tayong mga values. Ngayon, i-substitute na natin. So, yung 63, ito. So, 63 is equal to, ano yung a sub 1 natin? Negative 1. Plus, ano yung n natin? Ito, 17. So, 17 minus 1. Tapos yung d natin is missing. Okay, 63 is equal to -1 plus 17 minus 1, that is 16. Okay, 17 minus 1, that is 16D. Okay, so 63, ayan, 63, copy lang natin. Yung -1 dito, i-transpose natin siya. Okay, para ma-isolate itong 16D. So, magiging +1 yan, equals 16D. 63 plus 1 is 64. Is equal to 16D. To isolate the value of D, we need to divide both sides by 16. Tanggalin natin yung 16. Okay? Cancel yan, cancel yun. So, ang natitira na lang dito is D, 64 divided by 16, that is 4. So, now, the um, the answer is 4. Okay? So, ayun lang for the example number 2. Okay, lastly, for example number 3, ganun din, common difference din ang hahanapin natin dito. Okay? So, what is the common difference? Given that yung first term natin and second term and the last term natin is 58 and 30. Okay? So, given natin muna. A sub n. Ay, sorry. It should be A sub 16. Nagkakamali ako dito. A sub 15 rather. Okay, A sub 15. Ang unang nasambit si A sub 1. So, sa kanya yung 58. Yung pangalawang nasambit si A sub 15. So, sa kanya yung pangalawa din dito. Okay? So, ibig sabihin A sub 15 is 30. And A sub 1 is equal to 58. So, means to say that n is equal to 15. Kasi ito. Okay? And yung D natin is missing. Okay? Itong 30, substitute natin dyan. So, magiging 30. Okay. Then, yung A sub 1 natin is ito. So, that is 58 plus yung n natin is 15 minus 1. Tapos, yung D natin is copy lang natin. So, 30 equals, so 58 plus 15 minus 1, that is 16. Ay, sorry, it should be 14. Rather, 14. So, 30, positive 58. Okay, ito. So, ayusin lang natin. Yan. Should be 8 again. Positive 58 transposed to the other side of the equation becomes negative 58 equals 14D. Okay. 30 less 58, that is negative. Sorry, it should be 30 less 58 is 28. Okay. Negative 28 rather. Negative 28 is equal to 14D. Okay. So, to isolate the value of D, we need to remove 14 by dividing 14 in the both side of the equation. So, cancel itong 14, cancel yan. Negative 28 divided by 14, that is negative 2. Okay? Yeah, that is the final answer. Okay? So, may na-prepare akong question dito, tatlong question dito that related to the examples given above. Okay? So, kung merong hindi clarify sa inyo or kung gusto niyo malaman kung anong sagot dito sa problem na ito, pwede kayong mag-message sa akin personally or dito sa account na to, or pwede kayong mag-comment. Okay? So, that's all for today and thank you for watching. Goodbye.